think I want you anymore. Sarah, won't we? And I want you to be my one and all, my one and only.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Diane OB. If you're new here, hi, welcome to my channel. I create fashion, beauty and lifestyle content. Please support me by subscribing to my channel, liking and leaving a comment down below if you found this video entertaining or helpful in any way. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a try on haul. As you can see, we're going to be doing a Shein try on haul. And I have never done a Shein try on haul before. I think I've only done a Fashion Nova haul here on my channel, so you can check that out if you have not seen that. But yeah, today we're going to be doing a Shein try on haul. I'm so excited to do this try on haul because I really love the pieces that I got from Shein. I feel like most of them are very affordable and very nice. So I decided to order like 2 weeks ago and they came in yesterday, so it took 2 weeks to get to me. And yeah, the shipping was pretty fast if you ask me. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So guys, the first thing that I got from Shein is this very nice top. As you can see I love this top so much. I just used it to film my life update video, and honestly this top is just everything. I really love the style of this top. I like the nets from here. It's kind of giving like corset vibes, but it's not really. And also, you guys know that asymmetric tops have really been trending, so I really like this top. It's very nice. I think it was only, let me check the price. So I'm going to be telling you guys like the size and the price that I got it as well. And I'm also going to leave it in the description box so you can also check that out. Yeah, so this top was $7, guys. It was $7 and I got it in a size extra small because I read the reviews and lots of people were saying that it kind of runs big. So if you want to buy, you should always size down. So yeah, honestly, if there was another size, like an extra small, I probably would have gotten it because yeah, it doesn't really hold my titties like exactly how I would want it to, but overall it's not that bad. I still really like it. And yeah, $7, I think it is a great buy. Yeah, actually I ordered most of my stuff on Black Friday, so I actually got this for $5. So yeah, it's pretty affordable if you ask me. And the next thing that I got are these jeans that I'm wearing. I also got them from Shein. I've never gotten jeans from Shein, to be honest, so I was a bit I was like, oh my god, how is it going to look? But guys, when I tell you that I love, honestly and truly, I love these jeans. I got these jeans in a size, what size did I get them? Yeah, so I got these jeans in a size small, right? And normally I'm a size medium, but putting the jeans on was quite a hassle, can't lie. Yeah, I was actually just trying to squeeze into the jeans, but I actually love how they fit. I feel like they fit really nice. You don't really need a belt or anything, and the length of the jeans is really nice. It just stops at my ankle. It's not too long and it's not too short like most of my jeans. I normally don't order jeans online. I like to just go to the store and try them on myself because I'm always getting like jeans that are really long or really short, but this one is like literally perfect. These jeans, what's the price? It was $16, but the original price is $20. Guys, you can't tell me that these jeans are not it. Like, I love black jeans so much, and it also goes well with the top. So of course you can pair them together when going out. I feel like you can wear this outfit to go out maybe for lunch, or you can even wear it for dinner. Yeah, so yeah, this is the first outfit or the first look from the haul. Let's move over to the second one. Okay guys, so the next thing that I got is this set. So I've been really into browns as of late, so you guys are going to see a lot of brown in this haul. But yeah, the next thing I got is this camouflage type top with a trouser. So they came together, right? And I honestly love everything about this. It is so simple yet so classy. I love that I don't have to wear a bra with it, and honestly I still look good. I love everything about it, I can't lie. I also love the fact that you can wear these individually, right? Like you can wear the top with maybe black jeans or brown jeans or even blue jeans. You can wear the top with jeans, and you can also style the trousers with any top. It could even be a t-shirt or anything, but then this combo looks very good together. I think I got this in a size small. Yeah, so I got this in a size small and I got it for $13. So it was originally $16, but I got it for $13, and I feel like it is really worth the price. I like the fact that the trouser is very stretchy, so it can also enter, like if you're a size medium or something, it can also enter, right? It can also size you, and the top as well is very stretchy, and the quality is actually not bad at all. So yeah, really like it. Let's move on to the next outfit. Okay guys, so the next thing I want to show you are these two items. So I got this top in a size extra small. So yeah, I got this top in a size extra small, and now that I'm trying it on, I feel like I should have gotten it in a size small because the obvious. It's not really pressing so hard, but it looks like it's really small, although I think it can still work. Kinda. I wanted to get in a size extra small because I felt like it was going to be big, and I didn't want it to be big at all. So I decided to get it in an extra small, but I feel like it's still manageable. I feel like it's not bad. It's not totally bad, is it? I don't think it's totally bad. But yeah, I just paired it with these leather pants. I think I got them from PLT, can't remember. But yeah, I feel like it is so, it's given. I like what it's given. I feel like you can wear this to the club, yeah, with some heels, and that's why I have these. So I also got these from Shein. Yeah, so I also got these. You guys, so I got these heels in a size 11, but I'm a size 41 Europe, right? When I checked US size 11, I saw that it was equal to a size 41, 42, and when I read reviews on this shoe, they said I should size up, right? I mean, I have really big feet, so I decided to size up, and I got a size 11, but I thought it was a size 42. So these shoes are quite big for me. They're not so bad, but when I wear them, you can see like a little bit of space. Yeah, they're very comfortable. I love them a lot. Yeah, I'm going to put a picture of what this top looks like. I'm not so sure if it's meant to be like this actually. Yeah, I'm guessing this is what the model did, so I guess you can style it in two different ways. I don't know if I'm really feeling this one. What do you guys think? Does this look better, or does it look better the other way? This top, I got it for $9, and I got the shoes for $18. So yeah, okay, let's move over to the next outfit. Okay guys, so the next item that I got is this very beautiful, lovely black satin dress. So I love this dress so much. This is actually one of my favorite outfits from this entire haul. I love the way it fits. I love that it's not so fitted, but it still brings out your curves and everything. It's very nice, very sexy. Of course, you can wear this out for dinner. You can pair it with heels, a handbag of course, and you're good to go. Can't lie, this is very nice, very simple, very sexy. I love it so much. This is how the back of the dress looks, basically just like a crisscross. It basically just has a crisscross effect at the back. I feel like I should go back so you guys can see these outfits well. I'm so sorry. Yeah, so this is what this dress looks like. It also has a slit here. Really sexy, really nice. I really love this dress so much. It's my favorite outfit in this whole haul, can't lie. I got this dress for $12, guys. I even got it for $9 because of Black Friday. Really lovely, honestly. I love everything about this dress. Oh, you can even twerk in it. Okay guys, oh my god, this is the next outfit that I got, and I think I'm in love. Listen, the color the fact that it is a two-piece, the style, the design, the slits, literally everything about this dress is making me fall in love. It is making me fall in love. I love the way it fits my body. I love the patterns on it. Literally, let me come close so you guys can see. And then this is what behind looks like. It's very lovely. I love it so much. Let me move back so you guys can see it very well. I'm not wearing heels or anything. I got this dress for... Okay, so I got it for $11, but it was originally $14. And honestly, this dress is so nice. It looks just like the picture. I think the material is actually great. I can't even lie, like this material is not giving cheap at all. This material is amazing. I love it a lot. Okay guys, so the next item that I got is this button-up satin blouse. I really like the quality of this blouse. Honestly, I wasn't expecting it to be this nice. Like I wasn't expecting the quality to be this good, can't lie, but quality is very nice. I got this top in a size small and it was $14. Trust me guys, the quality is really amazing. It feels really nice on my skin. I feel like with this blouse you can go formal and you can also go casual with it. So right now I'm just pairing it with some shorts. Yeah, I know, like you can also wear it with trousers, maybe office trousers, or you can also wear them with jeans and a pair of heels as well. But yeah, I just decided to pair them up with this black shorts that I have. I think if it was bigger, you'd be able to just wear it alone without any other thing. So yeah, really recommend. So the next dress I have to show you guys is this Bodycon dress. I love this dress a lot. I feel like I'm saying I love all the dresses, but honestly guys, I really like all of them. So this is a, what's it called, crisscross open back ruched bodycon dress. As you can see, it also has the crisscross effect just like the other one. And guys, I'm absolutely in love with this dress. If you know me, you know that these are the type of dresses that I like to wear. So of course I had to get something like this from Shein. So yeah, I really like it. You can wear this to, honestly, I'd wear this to not just the club, but I'd wear this to dinner. Yeah, you can wear this to dinner. I think you can wear this maybe with sneakers. Yeah, you can also wear this with sneakers, maybe on a brunch date or something. You can even wear this to the club, can't lie. It's given. I love it a lot. This was $9. Yeah, but I got it for $7, and this is in a size extra small. Okay, so let's move on to the next outfit. I got skinny jeans, blue skinny jeans, and I got some crop tops. So I just want to show you guys, I got 4 different crop tops for just $18, guys. If this is not a deal, I don't know what it is for you. So yeah, I'm going to try both of them on and show you guys how they look. Okay guys, so this is one of the tops that I got out of the 4 tops. Really love it. Honestly, again, I'm loving asymmetric tops just like this one. Very nice, very nice. I got this in a size, I got all 4 of them actually in a size small, I think. Yeah, all of them are in a size small. Then for the trousers, I got the trousers as well from Shein. Honestly, I'm honestly so happy. I'm happy with the way the 2 jeans I got look. They're so good. I think I prefer the blue jeans. Like, I mean, the way the blue jeans fit, I think I prefer it to the way the black fitted on me. So yeah, these jeans are honestly very nice. You don't need a belt. Like, look, it fits like a glove, literally, and that is exactly how I love my jeans. The length is perfect. Let me check the size. Oh, I got this in the size medium. So let me pair it with these glasses. I also got these glasses from Shein and it came in that box. So let me wear it. Let me show you guys how it looks like with this outfit. Ooh. Oh, okay. Exactly how I thought. This is a very casual vibe. Very casual. I love it. Okay guys, so the last item is this top and biker short sets. This is how it looks. This is what it looks like. You can wear it to stay at home. You can also wear it to just go out. I don't know, and just chill outside. But personally, right now that it's winter time, I'll probably just wear it to stay at home. I just wanted something very comfortable. And yeah, I like how it fits on me. And yeah, so yeah guys, that concludes my try on haul for you guys for today. I hope you really liked it. Let me know in the comment section what your favorite outfits were. I think mine was the satin dress, definitely that black satin dress, the black shorts bodycon dress as well, and I also like the tops. Yeah, I like the tops, and oh my god, the brown dress as well. But yeah, I think I honestly like all of them. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Really enjoyed trying on these clothes for you guys, so hopefully I'll do more hauls because I really enjoyed this one, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Please subscribe. Also like this video, comment, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Hey, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah, I ain't no side piece. I'm the one you take it home to momsies. Come on.